So I thought I'd do a short video on how to do a group header image for the Carnkie Camera Club group, the private group on Facebook. So every month we run a little fun competition to choose the header image that will grace the Facebook group each month. And you can see the Facebook group page here with the header. This is what we refer to as the header image at the top here. So I'm going to show you just how to prepare an image that's the right dimensions for this header image and how to upload it onto Facebook. So I've got an image already open in Photoshop, and it's as simple as cropping it. Now the ratio for the Facebook header is 1.91 by 1, and you can see that roughly matches the dimensions that we saw for the header group a minute ago. So I'm just going to crop this image. I'm not going to be too fussy about it. Down to those ratios, and whilst we're in Photoshop, we can actually save this ratio so we don't have to remember it. So go to New Crop Preset, and if we call it something like Facebook header, OK, that will save that now within the crop tool, Facebook header. So now if we'd want to do another image, we can just select that crop preset. So all I need to do now is just save this image ready to upload. So I'm going to export it as a JPEG. Now this was the raw file that I pulled in, so it's quite a large file. It's still 5,000 pixels wide. It doesn't need to be that wide for the header, unless you can leave it like that if you want to upload it that big, but obviously it might take a little bit longer to upload. So I'm just going to downsize it to sort of 2,000 pixels wide. Going to leave it as sRGB because that's the best color format to use for the web. You can choose to leave your copyright, your metadata, your copyright info in if you like, but I believe Facebook strips all that out anyway. So I'm going to export that. I'm going to save it somewhere, and I'm just going to call it Facebook header. Saving it on the desktop, somewhere nice and easy to find when I need to upload it. So now we've saved the image, the next step is to upload it to Facebook. So let's go back to Facebook. We need to go back to the Carnkie Camera Club page, and we need to find the album that we need to upload it to. So we're in June at the moment, so if we had a winner for June, they would pick the image that would grace the header for July. So we need to find the album for July. So we go to Photos, go to Albums, and we find and see here July header competition 2020. So any images submitted to this album throughout June are in contention to grace the header for the month of July, and then we start, we'll start on August 1 and so on and so on. So all I need to do now is upload my image to this album. So just add photos, go to the desktop where I saved my image, so Facebook header, there it is. Just choose that one, and that's now uploading to that album. And there it is. You can add a comment if you want to add anything in the comment box, but it's as simple as that. Just hit post, and once it's finished loading, it will appear in this album. So the winner then for the previous month will come to this album. They'll choose their winning image, and then we'll update the header image for that choice, and that image will grace the group header for July and showcase your work.